ShipBob is a third-party logistics provider that helps e-commerce businesses with inventory management, order fulfillment, and shipping. Here's a brief guide on how to use ShipBob. Create an account. Sign up for a ShipBob account by visiting their website and completing the registration process. You will need to provide business details and integrate with your e-commerce platform. Integrate your store. Connect ShipBob with your e-commerce store or marketplace. This integration allows ShipBob to automatically receive orders and sync inventory. Set up inventory. Send your products to ShipBob's fulfillment centers. Use ShipBob's guidelines for labeling and packaging. Once received, ShipBob will store and manage your inventory. Configure shipping settings. Set up your shipping preferences, including delivery options, rates, and regions. ShipBob offers various shipping methods to suit your business needs. Manage orders. When customers place orders, ShipBob will automatically fulfill them based on your setup. You can track order status and manage fulfillment through the ShipBob dashboard. Monitor performance. Use ShipBob's analytics and reporting tools to track shipping performance, inventory levels, and order fulfillment metrics. Adjust strategies as needed based on the data. Customer service. ShipBob provides support for any issues related to fulfillment or shipping. Contact their support team for assistance if needed.